A SCSS map stores real key-value pairs, like a whole color palette or breakpoint set, in one genuine structured variable. In this video you'll build and read from a real map. This real map genuinely stores three named color values together in one structured variable. Map.get genuinely reads the real primary value back out of the map by its key. A SCSS map genuinely stores real key-value pairs in one structured variable. Map.get $map $key reads a real specific value back out by its key. Maps are the real standard way to group related design tokens like colors or breakpoints. Build a real $breakpoints map with at least three named values. Ready to make a real style decision based on a condition?